Studying can be annoying and hard, but no more.
I gave you my heart.
Here are 5 best amazing study hacks that will help you to step up your study habits for your next test. So, without further ado, let's begin. Hack number 1. Study like teaching 8 years old. So, once you have learned a topic or a question answer, just imagine a kid is sitting in front of you. He or she wants to learn the topic which you have just studied. So, it's your responsibility to make him or her understand that topic at any cost. All you need is to explain everything as simple as possible. When you can explain it simply, you really understand it. This is one of the best techniques to check your grip over any topic. Hack number 2. Study with fun. Try this fun game. Write 5 to 10 topics or things you are supposed to read or study in a small squared sized paper like this, each one in one. Next, fold it and then put it all in an empty coffee cup. Next, shake it and then pick up whichever comes out. And do that. This is one of my favorite study hack. This really makes your study fun. Hack number 3. Dark chocolate. The world loves chocolate. We love chocolates not just because of the way it tastes. We love it because of the way it makes us feel. Eating dark chocolates is great for getting your focus back and continuing your study session. It has certain agents inside of it that sends chemicals to your brain to focus and work harder. Also, use dark chocolates to reward yourself. Hack number 4. Mario Kart productivity. Do you ever struggle with procrastination? Can't stay motivated while powering through your study session? Have lots of homework to do in one night? Then listen to Mario Kart video game music on YouTube while doing your homework. It's a great solution to do your homework 2 times faster. So basically, video game music is designed to keep you absorbed and focused on the game. And so it's perfectly suited to keep you engaged with your school homework. So give it a try while listening to Mario Kart music and comment me below if it worked for you. Hack number 5. Use acronyms. Acronyms are memory techniques that help you remember information in an interesting way. Let's say the acronym VIBGEO is a way to remember the rainbow colors. It stands for violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So use your own acronym strategy as a way to remember information faster. So these were my 5 unique study hacks. If you found this video helpful, then give it a big thumbs up. And also give out your valuable suggestions in the comment section below. For more videos, subscribe to Be Creative and Artistic and press that bell icon for my latest new updates. Later!